Hello, this is HardReset.Info speaking for you, and in this video I'll show you how to connect ThrustmasterT Flight full kit with Xbox Series S. In the beginning, as you can see, in this kit we've got two joysticks and pedals. Firstly, as you can see, these two joysticks are already connected to each other, but right now we've got to connect pedals to them by this cable. How to do it? On the back of the right joystick we've got a place to connect this cable. So let's do it. And now, in order to connect full kit to the Xbox, connect it via this USB to free spot on the Xbox. And now it's connected. Let me show you how it works. Okay, as you can see, we are already flying, so let's turn the engine on. It's not that hard, unfortunately. It's not that easy, sorry. But let's try again. Let's set this throttle to standard position. And okay. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.